Hello, I'm Judy the organizer. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome. Welcome to the new series, Judy's Choice, This or That. In this series, I'll be showing you 2 to 3 organizing products that are similar or the same, or at least function the same. And I'll let you know which one I'd recommend. So stay tuned. Keeping your pantry organized and your food fresh is top priority if you're anything like me. That's why today I'm going to be showing you 2 popular canisters, the pop container or the OXO pop container and the home edit pantry canisters. We're going to be comparing them. We're going to be seeing which one keeps your food the freshest. And I'm also going to be giving you my recommendation at the end of the video. So with that said, let's get on with the video. First up, we're going to talk about the OXO pop container. If you know anything about this container, you know they are the top in their game. They actually been in existence for 30 years, which means quality is high priority. Let me put it down. So they're known for their airtight seal. These containers are designed with a button mechanism. So when pressed, they expel air out to seal freshness in. So to me, that is already a game changer. They come in various sizes, which makes them versatile for all pantry items. So let's list out the pros. They're designed to stack securely for space-efficient storage in your pantry or your kitchen cabinet. The containers keep your items fresh with the airtight seal that opens and closes with the push of a button. The seal and lid come apart for easy cleaning, and they come in various sizes. So next we have the home edit pantry canisters, which is this is one of them, but this bad boy right here. What I love, first and foremost, what I love about them is that they were created by organizers. And if you watch my video, you know I'm an organizer. Well, I own my own organizing business and I also organize in said business. So whenever I see or come across products that an organizer or professional organizers have created, I am always like an advocate for using it and very happy to like be a part of their journey, because it takes a lot to say I'm gonna bring products out into the world. So I love that about them. These stylish canisters are all about visibility and stackability with clear size and a modular shape that fits neatly on shelves. They're great for those who want an aesthetically pleasing pantry with easy access to the items in them. These canisters are great. They kind of give you the same type of, functionality, and for the most part, they're supposed to both keep your items fresh. So here are the pros for the home edit canisters. They are perfectly modular and stackable. They're made with exceptional durable clear plastic, and they have clear lids with silicone gaskets for an airtight seal. And also they are aesthetically pleasing. So if you're someone who likes to create a vision in your pantry, that's one of the pros of the home edit pantry canisters. All right, we're gonna go test their freshness. So come join me in my kitchen. All right, welcome to my kitchen. So we have cereal in both canisters and containers. So the pop container has a bit, the home edit pantry canisters have a bit. And we're gonna see which one's the most fresh. So I should probably get a napkin, because if you don't know, I'm lactose intolerant and this cereal has milk in it. So yeah, we're gonna be spitting them out. All right, so let me open them up. So let's see. That's pretty fresh. It's pretty fresh. It can be fresher though, or more fresh. Let's see the pop. I love that noise. The winner. Much more crunchier than the cereal that sits in the home edit canisters, but still pretty fresh in here. But definitely, I mean, what are we doing? What are we doing? I'm lying to myself. This was definitely a better crunch, just a slight more crunch than in the canisters. So okay, let's go back to the table. We're back. So as you saw, both canisters have their strengths. You probably have some of these canisters in your home and they work for you perfectly, but let's talk more about them. So as you already know, the OXO pop containers are fantastic for sealing out air, which is great for freshness. However, they can be a bit bulky. This doesn't seem bulky right now, but when you have a few of these, they can appear a bit bulky. And with their bulkiness, they may not work for every pantry. Also, you can take them apart, which is great to clean them. But what I've noticed from some clients that I've worked with is it can be a little bit challenging to put them back together. And some of my clients have also experienced the lid not working. So basically the push button, for whatever reason, stopped working and they're no longer able to use the canister properly, because that's kind of what makes this container. It's this pop element. Without it, it's just a clear container with a lid that doesn't seal, therefore your food items can fall at any given moment, which is not what we need. So as for the Home Edit Pantry Canisters, they score big on the design and durability. They're easy to handle and they're great for visually appealing pantry setup. Though they may not be as airtight as the pop containers, which if freshness is your thing, then that may be an issue. So one of the cons is they only come in 5 sizes, which can be a limitation when it comes to hosting or holding the food items that you want to display or take out of its original package in your pantry. What do I mean? Let's say, for instance, you want to host your chia seeds in a canister, and the smallest canister looks like this. And let's say once you put the chia seeds inside, it's not full enough to really take out of its original package. I don't know, visually, it still looks like you may need more chia seeds in the container or the canister. So it may not be an issue for some, but I can see why the limitation of sizes can be a little challenging when you want to, when you want to display a lot of your dry goods. Another con is, and I don't even think I mentioned the OXO pop containers price, but it's price. The Home Edit Pantry Canisters are a bit more expensive than the OXO brand, and the OXO brand is already at the top when it comes to price. So it's pretty expensive for the average canister, especially if you're someone who needs a lot of them. So you will have to consider that when you do choose to purchase these canisters. How much are you willing to spend? I would say you should at least consider buying 6 of these canisters or containers when you plan on replacing your the original packages with canisters. You need at least a good number visually. I'm talking about visually. If you just want one, go off, sis. But I think for it to visually make sense, a minimum of 6 is necessary. And when you do the math, this is approximately how much the OXO brand containers will cost for 6 and what the Home Edit Pantry Canisters would cost for 6. So you do have to consider that. Here's my verdict. If you're someone who is a stickler for freshness and you want your items that sit in your containers, your beans, your rice, your cereal, your chia seeds, your flax seeds, your nuts to be extremely fresh, then I would go with the OXO pop container. I mean, they are a veteran in the game and they have held their position for a long time because the quality is there. And honestly, they're probably the ones that I see in people's homes the most. So if you are, looking for freshness, then bam, this girl is the one you get. She's a good one. But if you're looking for aesthetics, freshness, durability, easy access, then I would go with this girly. I would go with the Home Edit Pantry Canisters. When you take it off, you put it back on, air is released. It works too. If you're someone who's looking for more so an aesthetically pleasing pantry, or that's what you're trying to create, then of course going the other route is great. They both honestly work the same. They're stackable. The plastic is durable. They'll last you for a long time as long as you take care of it. Please don't dishwash them. Don't do that. Don't make that mistake. And honestly, they're both great products. My personal favorite, I feel like y'all already know, and it's this one. Yeah. Let me know in the comment section below if you enjoyed this comparison video. I have so many other organizing products I want to compare. I have seen Target come out with some stuff where I'm like, hey, I've seen you already somewhere and you're cheaper. So yes, I'm gonna try you out. I've also seen it with the Container Store. They're coming out with their own products, which is Very smart, might I add, and even Walmart. So please let me know if you have any other products that I should compare, and be on the lookout for the other comparison videos that are coming to you soon. All right, let me know in the comment section below if you use the OXO pop containers or if you use the Home Edit pop canisters. Let me know your thoughts on why you have them and how are they working in your space. All right, as always, thank you so very much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.